Hello, my name is Rebecca Carlson, and for my final project, I decided to create a LibGuide. I chose to create a LibGuide because I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone. Before this assignment, I knew nothing about LibGuides. I had never used one or created one. The LibGuide I chose to create was for the Philosopher's Index, which I have a screenshot on the screen so you can get an idea of the LibGuide. And I also provided the link just in case you want to check out the LibGuide. I wanted to create a LibGuide for the Philosopher's Index because it seemed like a nifty database that I wanted to personally learn more about. I knew by creating a LibGuide for it, I would learn how to use this database and would then be able to teach others how to use it. The target audience for the Philosopher's Index LibGuide is mostly going to be philosophy students, people interested in researching philosophy, or anyone who just wants to know more about philosophy in general. This database only covers topics in philosophy and nothing else, which is why the target audience is much smaller than probably other databases. My LibGuide will teach this audience how to perform both a basic search as well as an advanced search. On the homepage of the LibGuide, I included what subject the database covers. I then have a tab labeled Search Syntax to help the audience understand how to perform more efficient searches. Lastly, I have a tab labeled Help and Support in case anyone using this LibGuide requires more help or support in performing any of the described actions. Underneath that tab, I have included search tips that can be found directly on the Philosopher's Index website. To fully know if my LibGuide is beneficial to students, I have included a poll and I will review that information often. It is my role as the creator of the LibGuide to ensure that my LibGuide stays up to date and is as helpful as it truly can be to help others. Overall, I had a nice time creating this LibGuide. I did struggle in the beginning with creating the layout, adding the photos, and even how to edit those photos, so they included those red boxes that are always so helpful. But as I kept working on my guide, everything became easier for me. I wasn't afraid to make mistakes and go back and fix those issues later. I'm happy that I now learned a new skill, and I'm happy that this project taught me how beneficial LibGuides are. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.